Hey guys, ever dreamed of a pro video AI generator that's completely open source, runs at lightning speed, and never blows your budget? That's LTX Studio. And today we're diving into what makes it a total game changer for creators of all kinds. Let's dive deep. LTX Studio lets you generate high-quality videos without maxing out your resources. Whether you're doing a quick social clip or a full series, you'll handle big projects at a fraction of the usual cost. But speed and savings aren't the whole story. You get full creative freedom with multi-keyframe conditioning and precise camera control, so you can craft every scene exactly the way you imagine, from sweeping crane shots to tight close-ups. Because it's open source, you have the entire code base at your fingertips. Run it on your own hardware or test it for free on their platform. Just clone the repo, follow the setup, and start creating. No licensing fees, no hidden costs. For crispest results, upscale your images before animating to preserve fine detail. And if you plan a local install, aim for a GPU with 24 gigabytes of VRAM. A 4090 or 5090 works great to keep everything running smoothly. Now let's talk about some of the top features that make LTX Studio so appealing. First, the efficiency at scale means you can handle big projects without breaking the bank. Second, the creative control features are perfect for those who want to tailor every aspect of their video. And third, the open source nature of the project means it's accessible to everyone, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Of course, no project is without its challenges. Some users have noted that getting the best results might require a bit of trial and error, especially when it comes to upscaling images before generating motion. Additionally, if you're planning to install it locally, you'll need some robust hardware. Think along the lines of the 4090 or 5090 with 24 gigabytes of memory. But let's be real, with the positives heavily outweighing the negatives, LTX Studio is a major step up in the world of video creation. The community feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising the quality and capabilities of the tool. It's clear that LTX Studio is setting a new standard for what's possible with video creation technology. And the best part? LTX Studio isn't an island. It's part of a thriving open source movement that's fueling innovation across AI. When tools are open, developers everywhere can inspect code, suggest fixes, and build new features. That means faster improvements, more creative experiments, and a safety net of community review that closed systems just can't match. Take Hunyuan Video, for example, another open source AI video generator that's pushing boundary after boundary, thanks to dozens of contributors tweaking models and pipelines. Or look at Hugging Face, where thousands of models and datasets live side by side, ready for anyone to fine-tune. Pinocchio and FAL are also making waves, offering lightweight runtimes and modular architectures that let you plug in new research without starting from scratch. And don't forget Replicate, which turns open models into instantly usable APIs and tracks every update, so you always know you're running the latest version. All these projects share one thing: transparency. When the code is out in the open, you get reproducible results, collective security audits, and the freedom to customize tools for your specific needs, whether you're a solo creator or part of a studio team. That collaborative spirit is exactly what's driving AI forward, and LTX Studio sits right alongside these platforms, ready to evolve as you and the community push its limits. So dive in, explore the repos, submit your pull requests, and be part of building the next wave of open source AI video tools. Now let's be real. Open source tools still lag behind the big commercial models when it comes to polish and consistency. If you want top-notch output, you're better off looking at offerings like Google VO2 or Kling 2.0. They've been tuned on massive datasets and deliver rock-solid results every time. We tried LTX Studio ourselves and found the quality wildly hit or miss. Some clips came out usable, but plenty turned into nonsense AI slop or just crashed with a something went wrong error no matter how many times we retried. It's clearly still a work in progress, so I wouldn't pay for it yet. Stick to the free tier until it's more stable. And that's it. If you want to join the open source video revolution, hit subscribe, jump into LTX Studio's free tier at lightrix.com, give it a try, and let us know what you create. See you in the next one. Bye.